Intelligence is about beyond ordinary, outshining others in technology advancement, making life simpler, safer and healthier, continuously surging ahead to set new benchmarks for the industry. Vedant Technologies is a pioneer in artificial intelligence-based physical security, surveillance, traffic monitoring and COVID safety solutions, keeping in mind the need of the hour. Vedant introduces an interrupted 24/7 system called FebriEye, an AI-based contactless thermal temperature screening system with advanced features like body temperature monitoring, face mask detection, social distance monitoring in total compliance with the COVID-19 guidelines. FebriEye comes in two models, FebriEye H and FebriEye EL, with different pixel resolutions, each model catering to a different type of customer. The distance at which temperature measurement takes place is 3 to 5 meters from the thermal camera. Black body is mandatorily provided with both models, and the accuracy of temperature detection is plus minus 0.3 degrees Celsius with black body. FebriEye gives a real-time alert on the monitoring terminal to ensure complete observance. Proper and detailed MIS report can be generated for compliance. FebriEye also comes with an optional central monitoring feature which can connect multiple systems to a central command and control system for consolidated monitoring for multiple entry points or locations as required. This exceedingly innovative technological advancement is most appropriate to be deployed at airports, railway stations, bus stations, construction sites, commercial offices, hotels, etc. for absolute adherence to COVID-19 guidelines. FebriEye is proudly made in India.